Hi, welcome to the HardReset.Info channel. This is a Poco M4 Pro device, and now I'll show you how to bypass Family Link protection on this device. So, as you can see, for example, I have no Gmail here because Gmail was blocked by Family Link. And now we will reset Family Link, bypass Family Link. To do this, open Settings, scroll down, and choose Google. Then choose Manage your Google account. Choose Get Started. Click on Data and Privacy. Scroll down and choose Delete your Google account. Confirm your password. And tap Next. Scroll down, choose Yes, I understand. Scroll down again, choose Yes and Yes, and tap Delete account. But not afraid, we will recover it soon. So something went wrong, and as you can see, I have Gmail here, I have Google Films, Netflix, stop, where is Netflix, and all my applications was successfully unlocked. So now we need to recover our Google account. Open Play Store, choose Sign In, enter your email, tap Next, and now you will see this message that this account was recently deleted and may be recoverable. Click Next to attempt to restore this account. So click Next and confirm your password. Click Next and you will see this message that something went wrong. So tap Next and try to log in again. Tap Next, I agree, accept, and cool. Google account was successfully recovered. Google Family Link was successfully bypassed. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Like this video, comment this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.